Welcome to HBRV Lifestyle. This is a Springdale 256 RDWE, the West Coast edition of the rear dinette. Has an amazing slide out, all the equipment you need to go out off-grid camping, from solar to inverter prep, electric jacks, power awning, and 56 gallons of fresh water. That's one of the largest freshwater tanks in a travel trailer in this industry right now. Now, it does have the recliners, a pantry, and the refrigerator in the slide out. Hey folks, let me know in the comments section how many of you own a Springdale travel trailer or a Keystone RV product. Yeah, don't pay attention to those white legs, folks. They are blinding. U-shaped dinette in the back. Now, right now it's in the down position to show you that it does turn into a bed. And the recliners are right across the way from the TV, which means no turning your neck, which means, gentlemen, no masseuses for you. Plenty of kitchen counter space in a smaller travel trailer, and pretty good storage as well. One-piece sink and good cabinet space for those pots, pans, and extras. And then, of course, finally, they're making it standard in these bigger units to put the 3-burner stove and an oven big enough for a small little turkey or a pizza. Now, what makes these floor plans so awesome is how special the bathroom is. It is humongous. That shower is big. I can stand up in it. But not only that, my finance manager, who's taller than me, can stand up in it. So if you're 6'3", 6'4", you're not going to feel like you're in a squished box. Good linen space, good counter space around the sink, just enough for toothbrushes, toothpaste, things of that nature. And then the coupe de gras, everybody's favorite, the walk-around queen bed with the wardrobes on each side. Now, if you have a CPAP machine and you put the inverter in this coach, there's a plug right there where you don't need to run a generator because it's got the big battery pack and the solar to help you out while you sleep. And of course, surprise, hidden storage that most people won't open up for you. Now, in the top right-hand corner is another amazing walkthrough video on a couples coach.